it's always when you're in school getting ready for the summer break where you're like, oh my god, I'm so excited. You're so excited for the vacation, and then when the vacation hits, you're like, oh, ab kya karu?
Goa with friends.
Goa with family.
Why has everybody's parents taken their kids to Goa when they were younger?
It was a huge deal. Like my cousins was finished their paper. If their paper got over on Saturday, Saturday night they're in my house.
Imagine the excitement.
I used to be the first one to always go down and then call everyone.
Same.
Yeah, I used to be
I was
very
that
You
kid.
seem like the kind.
I was
You
that
seem
kid.
like that annoying kid who's like,
Niche aana.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. And we're like, you know what? Forget this shit. We're going back home. Tickets are booked. There's no place on the airplane. Nothing. All
Donkey.
cars.
They're already in Gangtok. भाई तू पहले geography सुधार.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
and I'm Sanjana, and we are Besharam. So, do you know what this weather reminds me of?
What?
I don't love it. Monsoon.
I
don't hate
love it. I love it.
No, it reminds me of no more summer break, no more summer vacation.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
And that makes me.
It reminds me of, getting ready to go to school and then going to like those stationery shops to get our
That
books.
one stationery shop that we all went to.
We all
Yeah.
went
We
to.
all
I
went
think that
to.
was the highlight of my school life.
It was so crowded.
No, but that was so fun. Like,
Yeah.
to get new scissors, new pens.
But I don't
new
understand. We
pencil
always
pouch.
bought those textbooks from there, and then we would get the same textbooks in school for free.
I never
We
got
would.
textbooks.
No, we would.
We
Oh,
would.
yeah.
We
Yeah, we
would.
would.
I don't know why we had 2 copies of every single textbook every single
No,
year.
one for.
God.
Did we not?
School and
One for
classes,
tuition.
no.
One for
Yeah.
tuition.
Listen, one for school, one for classes.
I to use both.
क्लासेस में अलग पढ़ाते थे यार. क्लासेस में अलग पढ़ाते थे.
Yeah, true.
क्लासेस को डिस नहीं कर सकते. हमारी दोस्ती वहां से हुई है.
Fair.
But padai is the depressing part. I think summer was cool as kids.
Yeah.
I feel.
Definitely. I mean, I think people
Okay.
have mixed emotions about it because I know a lot of people have very contradicting opinions about summer vacations. For me, it was very like mid. Like,
Yeah.
there were moments where I was like, party, but like, not
I was
party.
happy
Party
there
was chips, samosa, and cake.
Exactly. Melody.
Melody. And fruity.
Fruity.
Yeah.
But like I know a lot of people have
fruity.
like.
I think fruity was the shit when it was in a
Triangle.
Oh my
God,
god!
yeah, like
Sure, sure. They changed it.
Plastic straws.
Yeah.
Fuck the turtles, bro. Like, I don't care.
No, for real.
Like, one turtle was suffocating and they chose to like blow it up. Like,
They blew the turtle up. Imagine.
Bro, I drink fucking paper with my fruity yaar. So
No,
annoying.
I think Tropicana still has plastic straws.
love that.
And I love that for them.
Rebel.
I love Tropicana.
Rebel.
Real.
They're little like juice boxes. I
Yeah.
still love them.
Yeah, I think
Apple.
those things would taste better as a kid. Like I remember
No, because
we
there was
used
no
to go-
there was no paper in it. That's why it tasted
Yeah.
better.
I remember like during summertime we would go down, play with our friends, and then we would tell our moms to make tang and keep it in the fridge.
Yes.
But जब हम लोग छोटे थे तभी रसना was so much better.
No, you were a real one if you had Pepsi at home. ₹2 वाली
Dude,
Pepsi.
you were
In
a
your
real one if you
freezer.
had Glucon D.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom would.
Glucon D?
Glucon
Glucon
was for
No, but it was-
dehydration.
Yeah.
But like, didn't y'all have the powder?
No.
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 I had Tang.
I used to have Horlicks ka powder a lot. Just powder.
I was the Tang
Weirdo.
kid.
I was a Rasna girly.
Tang.
I was tongue.
Tang.
I was plain water and Parle-G biscuit dip. I used to love that, dude. Tell me you don't
It's
love
good.
it.
It's good, but
so
it like
good.
shows your net worth. It shows your tax bracket. I'm sorry.
I mean, so what?
10 rupee house.
10
Valid.
house, like. Oh my god.
No, but I
love the simple life.
I genuinely used to enjoy summer back then.
Simpler times, dude.
Yeah.
Simpler times.
Simpler times.
No chill, no stress. No,
Like,
Only chill, no stress.
Chill, no stress.
Yeah.
From going from like 4th standard summer to then going to like second year in college summer, huge, drastic difference.
Yeah. See,
We went from my house being the hub of cousins to me just going to random house parties now.
yeah.
And it's no fun. Honestly, I take that.
Yeah.
I
Same.
know it's always when you're in school getting ready for the summer break where you're like, oh my god, I'm so excited.
No,
and
it's
then
that
once-
last paper.
No,
It's that
not even
last
that.
paper.
Yeah.
You're so
Beginning of
excited.
April.
You're so excited for the vacation, and then when the vacation hits, you're like, oh, ab kya karu?
Yeah.
No.
Didn't you all have that? I mean,
No.
I remember
No.
before the vacation used to start.
That's because you were a nerd.
Not in the vacation. I mean, okay, fine.
Do you see
that.
what I mean?
I have
Yeah.
to say something to that. I don't know if y'all did this or not, but like, I used to have like a summer to-do list.
Ew.
Oh my god, the nerd.
I mean, no, it's not the nerdy kind. It's not like, oh, get up at 8 o'clock.
Ew.
Have breakfast.
That's not
It's
the,
not
the
that.
fact that you use pen and paper during the summer is.
Yeah.
What used to use your phone?
I used to use my mom's phone.
Well, my mom didn't give me access. Now what do I do?
And I used to go down and play Langdi, bloody.
Dude, it was so much fun to get your sketch pens out and make your fucking summer list.
No, bro.
No,
bro,
sketch pens
honestly,
were
no.
in the cupboard. No, like,
No books, no pen,
never
nothing.
touched my cupboard during summer
Yeah,
vacation.
no, exactly.
Never.
But you know
Never.
what? My mom used to. So my mom would host all of our cousins. Okay, it was it was a huge deal. Like my cousins would finish their paper. If their paper got over on Saturday, Saturday night they're in my house, and they did not. They did not.
I can
leave
imagine the excitement
till
to
the
like
night
go
before,
there.
like, yeah,
I know,
it was
shit.
so. And my mom used to hold these like little competitions. She would tell us what to like play. Like once she got us a boy doll, and she was like, you know what, get your dolls married. So because you had a lot of girl dolls,
Oh my God.
so we did a haldi, mehndi. We
What?
made
Fuck off, that is
clothes
so
for them.
much fun.
It was so
That's so cool.
so fun.
Oh my
And then she would
God.
have these like little competitions where she would like, okay, draw this, and like she would mark them, and like there we have a winner or like
damn.
poetry
Bro, can
competition
you
or
want to do
whatever.
this again for us?
Yeah.
I would love.
I never had that whole dynamic of spending my summer vacations with my cousins because all of them are like way older.
Oh.
So what you did with your cousins, I used to do that with my building friends and my floor
Yeah,
friends.
yeah.
Bro, my poor brother, one of my cousin's brother, because he was the only like boy, one of the
Oh, okay.
only two boys within that cousin group. And bichara, see, you're like a kid. You're packing your stuff. You're not putting everything that you need in your bag. And your mom's like, okay, fuck off, go. Go to Marcy's house. I don't care. Right. And, like my poor brother, he would not carry his, and my sisters also, my cousin sisters, they would not carry their night suits. They were like, उनके घर पे कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा.
Yeah.
My poor brother has worn so many of mine and my sisters like plazos and slept or like pajama,
that was
pink
me
pajama. He was so Babul Khan.
That was me always. I remember my parents never wanted me home. So then they were like, just go to your Masi, go to your mama's
Oh, yeah?
place.
Play outside.
Yeah.
Go
Yeah.
outside.
I would hate going to anybody else. I still am like that kind of.
Yeah, and then whenever I used to come back, I used to be very excited to come back. First of all, actually, I used to be very depressed when the summer
What are you
vacation
saying?
would start. So there are two reasons to that.
Tell.
The one reason being that my parents wouldn't take me out because my dad had to work, and then all the other, like all my building friends would go out on
yeah.
vacations, and then
Yeah.
I used to sit home, watch TV, or like go to my Masi's place and stuff. So then I used to be kind of depressed about it. And then the second thing was like, when we used to have our final exams, mostly it would happen in April.
Yeah.
And my birthday comes in April.
Yeah.
So then for me, it was like I've never celebrated my birthday in school. And I used to always wish that the last paper is on my birthday, but it used to never happen.
You know
Of course, it
what?
was 12th, bro.
What you
12th
used to
of
have
April.
with your birthday, like your birthday used to come during the summer, mine used to come in October. Mine comes in October during Diwali vacation.
Diwali, oh.
So we both never celebrated our
Me
birthdays in
neither.
school.
Public holiday.
Only
Oh, y'all guess which
never.
one? Guess which one?
Was it only me in this room
Yeah.
that has done like civil clothes September 16? Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think the only times I've done it, which have been very few, and used to take that one girly. Will you come with me to distribute my chocolates? Me? You picked me. I feel privileged.
I want to do an entire episode on just birthdays. Mine
Oh my
is
God.
coming up. I would
Yeah.
because I have so much trauma related to it.
As everyone.
relate.
For sure.
Okay, and then I wanted to say that so whenever if I would go to my masi's or my mama's or like my chachu's place, and then I would come back, I used to be really excited to play with my friends downstairs. So how you said your mom would host games, so you would always have this one neighbor in our building who would host such games, but then my parents really wanted me to learn how to how to ride a bicycle.
Oh,
So then my cousin,
Always fun.
always.
one of my elder cousin, he was like, I'll teach you.
Valid.
And I was like, okay, let's go. Let's do it. He took off the training wheels of my bike and then,
Good start.
yeah,
No, because she knew how to ride it with
No,
the
she
training
was
wheels.
learning.
with the training
With
wheels.
the training.
Okay, understood.
Then he,
I know, we can tell you can't ride one.
yeah.
Yeah.
I can.
Okay.
I'm not learning that on YouTube. That I learned.
So then he took them out and then he was like, okay, I'm going to hold the back seat and then I'm going to walk with you. And he
Always
kept-
a lie.
And
Always
he
a lie.
kept
Always a
doing
lie.
that. He did that 2 rounds, 3 rounds, and then he left me. And I
That's
did
where
not
the trust issues start.
Yeah.
exactly.
That is where.
And then I did not realize that he's left me. Okay, and then I take a full round, and then I see him like samne, and he's clapping.
Yeah.
And then I was very happy that I did it. And then uske thoda aage jaake I realized, oh fuck, no one's holding me.
Yeah.
Then I felt so bad, and then I had to sit home the entire summer vacation.
You know, I hated when people did that. That's why I learned how to ride the bicycle on my own. Like a lot of people,
I've
no, so
never
a
heard
lot
that.
of people tried, and then I was like, you know what? Leave this. I'm just gonna like I used to go down on my own. 2-3 days it took me. I was like, Zia, just stop being a bitch about it.
Yeah,
And
really.
then I did it.
How old were you when you did
Maybe
that?
around like 8-9.
Okay,
Coolest
you
8-year-old.
learned very. I think you
Late,
learned
bhai.
late. Yeah.
No.
Late.
No.
I was in 7th grade when I learned how to ride a cycle.
What?
That's on you, babe.
Yeah.
That is very late. I learned
That's on
when I was
you.
5 years old.
I just told myself, see,
Yeah.
if you feel like falling, your legs reach the ground, so it's okay.
Yeah,
That's the
my legs.
most present-minded
Which
8-year-old.
is so unlike me.
Which is so unlike presence here.
क्या हुआ तेरे को?
I don't know.
Where did the downfall start? No, but like I mean, coming back to like
Playing with friends.
spending your summer vacation with friends. I think that was like a different thing. Like, of course, you're playing during school time also. Like after
But, like, you
after
had a time
tuition,
limit.
at 7 o'clock
You
we'll
had a
meet.
time limit.
Yeah, you had a time. limit.
Yeah,
Like 1 घंटा ही बस.
but like in the way.
1
1
घंटा
ghanta
सिर्फ?
was all you. 1 hour was all you
घंटा.
got.
Summer?
No, during school.
Okay.
You had studies, homework, and all that stuff.
No, still I used to say, हाँ आती हूँ, and then
Yeah, like every other kid should not be on the iPad.
Yeah.
Bro, genuinely, I
Talking to
think
you.
our generation was the last one to like enjoy outdoor games.
You see, every generation says that.
Yeah, and my father keeps telling us that, you guys never had the summer we had, like carry torna,
Oh, bro. So
all of that stuff. I would want to do that.
When I used to play down with my friends, we used to do this one thing that I think almost every kid has done during their summer vacation or just like in general playing down with their friends. जाके randomly लोगों की घंटी
बजाने का.
randomly.
Bro.
Ding dong ditch.
We
One
used
of
to-
the funnest things.
We used to take the lift, go to the 15th floor, like the topmost floor in the building, and then सबकी घंटी बजाते नीचे आते थे.
And even pressing lift buttons.
The thrill,
Yeah, bro.
dude, the thrill. Like, okay, I'm going to press it.
The
तुम ready
adrenaline
रहो.
rush.
Ready रहो. Are you all ready?
3, 2, 1.
Such a bullshit game.
But it was so thrilling.
It was so much fun.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I was a brat when even it came to like games. Like, okay, so my window is like the kids will play here, and then my window you can hear from the room. If you shout Zia, you can hear.
Okay.
Because it's the second floor. And my friends at some point, like when I got a little bit older, I'm saying like 12, 13, I got so bored of like playing langdi and cycle and badminton. They used to have to like yell for like a half an hour for me to come down, and then they would show up at my door, and then my mom would be like, just go.
Yeah.
That's when I went. Because I was such a I've been a brat.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
I used to be the first one to always go down and then call everyone.
Same.
Ah.
Yeah, I used to be
I was
very
that
You
kid.
seem like the kind.
I was
You
that
see
kid.
like an annoying kid who's like,
नीचे आना.
Oh my god.
Wait, let me have my chocolate milk and come. Please.
Bonvita.
Horlicks. I was a Horlicks kid. Taller, stronger, and sharper.
Neither of them.
Talking about like games, we used to play this one more game called Dabba I Spice.
Dabba I Spice.
Yeah.
You guys know it's not called Dabba I Spice, and it's actually the bird's eye spice. Like you.
I love Dabba I Spice better, bro.
I don't know what the,
So
I don't know what the
game is like you find something that you can throw. So there's this one person who gets the dine.
Yeah, the dinner.
The
diner.
The diner. Oh my god.
Guys,
We have to.
3, 2, 1.
majority wins. You know, with this one of my sister's older friends actually once told me this. Like, it was a huge group of us, like my sister's older friends, my friends, all the kids in the building. We used to sometimes play on the terrace, and we would play Abadubi. If you know, you know.
I love
You know what?
Abadubi.
I don't know
My
Abadubi.
brother and his so I was the youngest of the group
Yeah.
in my friends circle, okay? And once these guys were like, let's play Abadubi with a plastic ball.
Can you please tell me what
Bro,
Abadubi is?
I will explain once
Abadubi
again.
with
I
a
don't
plastic
know.
ball is still fine. You know,
wait,
red color का रबर वाला आता था.
Fuck bro.
Season
क्या
ball.
ही लगता
No,
नहीं,
no,
रबर
rubber, it's
वाला
like
10
heavy.
रुपए का.
Season ball तू मर जाएगी.
मर जाएगी भाई.
अरे but let us say,
1 minute
Basically
Abadubi.
Abadubi
ऐसे
is
ना marks रहते थे इधर इधर.
No,
हाँ.
let's tell you what Abadubi
वो plastic
is.
ball से भी लगता है.
Abadubi is basically with a sponge ball you take and you just hit people.
literally
Whoever gets the
hit
ball hits the
people.
other person.
No,
yeah.
but-
Maro.
Oh,
Maro.
fun.
you guys are literally wrong. I'll tell you what it was in my building.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
It
different
was-
version.
Yeah, every building has its own rules.
It's like
Yeah.
Uno.
Yeah, Uno.
You would go to your house and get whatever pair of sock does not have its pair. And then you would go to your raddi paper. And then you would go to your fridge and get a bottle of water. Now, you have the ingredients to the terrace. Wet some of that fucking paper. Shove it into the sock.
Oh, shit.
Tie it up. And that's what we threw. And there was this one neighbor on the terrace. He had like a kind of a terrace flat. But he hated the fact that we played on the terrace. So a lot of our Abadubi
Yeah.
balls landed in his house. I bet he has like a freaking goni
Oh, shit.
of our Abadubi balls like in his house, just there. Okay. So I told you that we were all playing once, and this is when I was first introduced to majority wins.
Yeah.
Okay. And my sister's older friend, so she's like at least 5-6 years older than me, and I was pretty young. And I did not know what it was. I was like, Didi, मुझे बताओ ये क्या है? And she was like, बस ये ऐसा करेंगे ना तो ऐसे करना है. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. So that it would never be her. Because she told me ऐसे कोपचे में.
It's always his elder siblings.
Yeah.
fucking-
So I
Yeah, we are
have a habit of doing this. I have a habit of doing this and not this for that.
Explanation मिल गया.
Yeah.
And you know, I think the politics started when we were like in 4th standard. So when
Okay.
तो तभी हम लोग खेलते थे पकड़ा पकड़ी और लुका छुपी.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. लुका छुपी ही बोलूंगी मैं. तो when we used to play लुका छुपी, no, we used to be very mean, okay, to the diner.
What was it?
Yeah,
Was it not
obviously.
Chupan Chupai?
Chupan chupai, yeah.
Yeah.
Same
so
thing.
We used to call it Chupa Chupi.
Okay, whatever.
Again,
Same
same
difference.
thing.
Yeah.
yeah.
Potato, potato.
And then हम लोग एक दो बार क्या किया था, डाइन आया था एक लड़की पे. We did not like her that much. So then we were like,
Was it you?
no. So then she went to give the dine,
Yeah.
and you know you have to
Yeah,
close
yeah,
your
yeah.
eyes or like just stand
Yeah,
near
yeah.
a pillar or something. And we all went out to eat. We just went out to eat.
my
Bro, we've done that. We've done
And
that
then,
too.
you know,
It's
and then
like,
once-
and we were just playing and we just घर पे चले गए. We literally went home. We like ढूंढती बैठो.
Yeah,
Bro,
we
it's
used to
like
do
giving
that.
someone a dare to go home.
Yeah, in adulthood it turns into that. And a house party.
Yeah, and then once what we did, we were like, इसको ना आज तो रुला ही देंगे. And then we exchanged our like jackets.
Oh my god, yes.
We changed our clothes and
Yes,
stuff.
yes, yes.
We used to change our
And
clothes.
if the person says the wrong person's
Wrong
name,
name,
give
मारते
again,
थे.
give again.
7 dine. 7 dine.
Sat dine.
Sat dine.
Bro, we used to play like
Evil.
elder, like older people and young, like छोटे बच्चे साथ में खेलते थे तो कच्चा पेलू पक्का पेलू होता था.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
कच्चा पेलू पक्का पेलू like
Yeah.
And then it would be like, यार कच्चा पिल्लू है यार, जाने देना यार, चुप मत out कर मुझे.
That one
like
building
that.
wala summer has its charm.
Yeah, it does. It does.
But also does like family vacation wala summer, I feel.
Oh,
Family
definitely,
vacations, yes.
definitely. I think one
No.
thing that hasn't
No.
changed.
For me, I think whenever we went on a family vacation, it was just like us chilling in the hotel.
That's
Yeah.
good only.
No,
Yeah,
my
I really-
family.
I
As a-
really
for
enjoyed it.
childhood, for
As a
childhood,
child,
it's not
I did
good.
not enjoy
It's not. Yeah, exactly.
Right
My family
now-
wasn't like that, so I wouldn't know.
Right
Yeah.
now, if I actually long for staycations
Relaxation.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I get it why my parents wanted back then. So
But like it's
totally
different
valid.
when you're with a child, no?
Yeah, exactly. My family's always been the going out type and like exploring new
I
things and
think
stuff. And I
one-
love
that
that.
was just
One
I would still want that over staycations at times.
Definitely. I think
Yeah.
one thing that hasn't changed from like, going out as kids and going out as adults is a Goa trip. I feel
Bro, why?
Goa with friends. Goa with
Why
family.
has everybody's parents taken their kids to Goa when they were younger?
Yeah.
I'll
Oh
tell
my
you this.
God.
peak destination
I have
point.
been to Goa once and I will never go again. And I'll tell you why. Because
Okay.
we went by train and the train stops at Sangmeshwar where
yeah.
it's just close to my village. So one of
Yeah.
our relatives actually stopped in the morning and dropped us some vada pav.
Okay.
Okay, I was in 4th standard. I hated vada pav at this time.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. But
That time.
That
Please
time,
tell
that
me.
time, that
Yeah,
time,
please
that
tell me you
time.
like them now.
that was hot vada pav.
Oh, okay.
With freaking cocaine ass chutney. And I shoved so much of that in there.
Lasun chutney for the win,
Yeah.
bro.
Lasun
And I-
Singh chutney for the win.
Yeah.
I ate one. I was sitting in between my aunt and my mom. I ate one. I was like, Mama, one more. I ate one more. Then I was like, Shiru, one more. I don't know. I asked my aunt for one more. Total, I ate 4. Reached the hotel.
Passed out.
Diarrhea.
No.
Puked
Yeah,
out.
like.
Diarrhea.
Like a tap. It was like a tap, babe. Like, you would try to go somewhere.
Did you have to wear diapers or something on the trip?
No, so that's what I'm saying. We would try to go somewhere. And I would have to be like, we stayed at Club Mahindra. Which
Potty
was,
karni hai.
no, which was very far from all the touristy places. So
Okay.
if we had to go somewhere, we had to take a long car ride. And every time we reach halfway, I'm like, Mama, I can't.
Did your mom stop you on the side of the road and make you shit in the bushes?
No, they were very understanding.
That was me.
They were very.
Like, did your parents not do that? What the fuck, dude?
It took me
Was I the only one who shat or peed in the bushes?
I vomited.
Yeah, vomit is fine. But
Yeah.
like peeing and pooping, absolutely no.
I've never vomited while like traveling.
Good to
Like-
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wow.
But it took me a good 10 years to like re-like vada pav. Now I like it.
I mean PTSD, dude. I get
Bro,
it.
really?
I get it. So, like, I have another story for like when I was in Goa. So,
Yeah, tell me.
I had gone not with my parents, with my aunt. I had gone, okay,
Achha.
and it was like a week-long vacation, like a trip, and I was like, there's something so beautiful about going anywhere actually when you're younger for like a vacation where you just don't give a shit about how you look.
Yes.
You don't care about the clothes that you're wearing. You don't care about how you look. You're just having fun.
Yeah.
You end up, or rather, me, I got so tanned on that Goa
You?
trip. Me. When I came back, my parents came at the station to like pick me up, and my mom saw got one look at me, and she was like, "Oh my god, I need to hold you and scrub you and wash you because you look like you haven't had a bath." And I was like, "Mama, I'm sorry. I am sorry, but I'm your kid. At the end of the day, I'm really sorry, but like, I don't know. But like at that moment when I was there in Goa, I was so
You
like."
know?
I was having so much fun, and I just did not give a shit about
It showed. The tan
anything.
showed.
The
You know?
tan showed.
The tan
exactly.
showed. This same thing used to happen to Adi all the time. So
Adi is Srishti's younger
Adi
brother.
is my younger brother. And my parents used to take us to our village all the time. they did take us to Goa once.
exactly.
It was like very close. My village is
Close to
very close
your
to
village,
Goa.
exactly.
So then my parents like, "Yeh tumhara Goa." But
beaches look like Goa anyway.
But
There's nothing great.
genuinely, our beaches, like we do have cleaner beaches. So then,
The shade.
so then whenever we used to take Adi to our village, no, वो एक तो बनियान में घूमता रहता था हर जगह. And then when we used to come back home, उसका सिर्फ ये part गोरा रहता था, and rest everything used to be like pitch black. But that was it's black down.
Cow vacations or something else.
Yeah,
dude.
definitely.
See, I was again with the brattiness. I was a brat when I was younger. When I would go, when I would have to go to the village because everyone was there. I shit you not, I have survived on Bisleri and Balaji, and because there was no like AC in our house. There is now, but there wasn't at that time. I used to go and sit in the car and turn on the AC.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
that's
I was,
way too
yeah,
much.
I don't know why I was like that.
My
I would
parents
hate to be your sister at that age or like a
Yeah,
friend.
Oh, she hated it. She still does, but she hated
My parents would give me like one tight slap, like bet that chup chop.
See, I remember we went to like Nepal, Darjeeling side, like the northeast, and this is a very like traumatic story.
Okay, trigger warning.
Yeah.
Dim the lights.
So like we're at Nepal, okay, and we left from Nepal to go to Gangtok, okay, and everything was like through car. There was no like train or whatever, through car straight up. And I already have motion sickness, so I'm like shit sick. I'm like puking left, right. I have medicine, but I can't sleep because this is like messed up.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we had a lot of time in our hand, like, spend and go shopping and stuff. So we're like, Mama ko's like shopping nahi jana hai. We'll just like chill somewhere, like have a nice place, have chai because I really good chai. So the car driver person is like, यहाँ पर एक amusement park है छोटा सा. If you want to go, we'll go there. So we're like, yeah, fine, we'll go there. Let's go there. We reached. So it starts at 5, okay, and we reached around 4. So we were just like chilling around and like taking pictures and stuff. And then the amusement park started at 5. I'm in the washroom and all of my family is like outside in the line taking tickets and okay. And tickets have been taken. I'm in the washroom, okay, and I'm literally on the bottom peeing. And no, wait.
Okay, that's not the climax.
And I feel earthquake tremors.
Oh, bro, no.
Like real earthquake, or did you
Real
think the toilet
earthquake.
was breaking?
No, real earthquake.
Bro.
Nah.
The day we left from
I would
Nepal,
shit right there.
Yeah, I'm not peeing
right?
anymore.
Yeah,
I
something
would
more is
shit
coming.
Thank God I'm not a man.
There's another earthquake coming down here.
we were supposed to leave Nepal on the day the earthquake came.
Okay.
But like we left one day early.
Okay.
Because like we were like निकल जाते हैं ना क्या ये road trip कर लेंगे ये वो and the earthquake came in Nepal and we were in Gangtok at the time and so like the tremors could be felt like all
brother.
over.
So if you would have stayed, you would have experienced and was it catastrophic? Was it
It
big?
was bad. It was bad.
shit.
We literally saw like
Shit.
we were in that marketplace, like the main market of Nepal.
Yeah.
We were there the
Mall-
day
Mall
before.
Road. Every hilly region has
Has a
mall.
mall road. Yeah.
We literally saw videos of like shit, like destruction.
Oh.
And then, we reached the hotel. We're like, leave right now. We went to the hotel and like everybody's calling, are you guys fine? Are you guys leaving? And we almost packed our bags. We're like, listen, we can't. It was a 14-day trip, okay? And we've just reached like day 4, day 5 of the trip.
Oh,
And we're like, you know what?
Brother.
Forget this shit. We're going back home.
Damn.
And tickets are booked. There's no place on the airplane. Nothing. All
Donkey.
cars.
They're already in Gangtok. भाई तू पहले geography सुधर.
So that was one bad experience I had
Shit.
of summer.
That's scary.
So yeah, I think.
But then when I got back to school, I was like flexing, bro. I have like faced an
What is that flex?
I don't
No,
know.
that is a
It was-
flex, bro.
that
I was
is a
like, I survived an earthquake.
No.
Considering how tragic it was, flex hai bhai.
This was very recent. I went with my college friends to Raila, Rajasthan.
हाइला किधर है?
Raila.
Sorry.
bully होते रहती हूँ मैं.
अरे तू तो वायरल है ना?
So इसके लिए बोले करते हैं. So we went to Jaipur, and the hotel that we were staying in, we left like the day we were supposed to leave.
Actually,
we
college
left.
trip.
Yeah, the college trip.
Okay.
We left, and then the next day we see in news that hotel caught fire.
Shit.
The hotel
There
caught
was like
fire, and we were on the top floor. और वो top floor के ऊपर ही terrace पे ना एक हाँ terrace पे एक bar restaurant था.
सच बता किसने रखा था लाइटर उधर?
नाम नहीं लूंगी मैं.
But it was I liked one of my favorite vacations with family has to be hilly region only.
Yeah.
Kashmir, I
Oh,
remember.
definitely.
I had gone in
गर्मी हो रहा है, ठंडी जगह पे जाओ.
nursery में
उधर भी घर में होता था भाई.
किधर?
मेरे को तो महाबलेश्वर लेके जाते थे उधर.
nursery में summer vacation में we had gone to a huge Agra Kashmir trip.
Oh my god, I have a
Okay.
similar story, but yeah, go on.
Yeah, so we went there, and of course, I made a fuss with wearing the snowsuit also. So once I was in the snow, I was fine. So fine that I had just started, like that was my first class that I had ever been in, right? In school, my nursery class. And my mom was like kind of friends with my class teacher because she also taught my older sister. And she was great. She was wonderful. And I used to eat, again, brat. I used to eat hide and seek. I wouldn't eat real food. So, you know, hide and seek, it comes in those plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 8.
Exactly.
Everyone, yeah.
So I'd have that. I'd eat it in the snow, and then I'd pack the
Snow.
in the thing, and then my cousins and everybody.
I'll
like,
take it to
what are you
Bombay."
gonna? Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Miss Pereira because she gave me vacation.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I have a very similar story to
Okay.
Agra. I think I had gone there when I was at around 4 or 5. I had gone there with my
Okay.
family. And it was like a package tour. So there were a bunch of other people's
Yeah.
families
How
also.
big was your package?
अभी तक job नहीं मिली है. So and I was around 4 or 5 and my brother was like whatever, and
Nobody cares.
Whatever.
math is a little weak. 6 years. Huh?
Not his.
Yeah. And so we were there, and there was this boy who was around my age also. So like vacation crush. I was like, oh my god,
Holiday love.
dude. That's one of the best feelings I think is like having a person similar to your age when you're at the airport or like on a vacation or something, and those 10 days with that boy.
How old were you?
4 or 5.
Those 10 days with that
Sanjana
boy.
started way early.
The concept of love was like presented to me there.
Not to him, I'm sure.
No, wait. Oh, we both used to like hold hands with a little. No, listen.
That's like 4th base if you're 4.
We were married in our minds. babe. We were like married. So we had with our little hands and with our little gloves, we were like holding hands.
Oh my god.
And like walking everywhere. And I remember he had come with his mom and grandmom.
Yeah.
Okay? And his grandmom didn't like me.
Imagine
wait. This is
we
so
beefing.
real.
Imagine
This
a
is so
70-year-old lady beefing with a 4-year-old kid.
Exactly.
How
petty could she
jobless
be?
are you? I know you're jobless, but like don't show it.
Bro, what?
Especially while beefing. And then I remember, so like we spent the entire time together, and that's why she was jealous because like give me my grandson back. What? What? He is 4. Calm the fuck down. And so we used to sit together, like in the bus whenever we used to go from the hotel to like our destination spot. We used to sit together. And he used to allow me to sit on the window and all.
Oh my
my
god.
God.
What a man. That's more than any man has ever done for me today.
I think he was my first love. And we decided that once we come back to Bombay, we'll get married.
Of course, at 6 years old, which is the age of marriage.
Yes. Bro, peak
What
marriage age.
What if he's watching this right now?
Keegan, if you are, I remember your name.
We hate your grandmother.
We hate her. I don't know if she's alive, but we hate her. Like, I don't know. But like, I don't like her.
Now you're beefing with an 80-year-old woman.
I'm 20 now. I can't beef with an 80-year-old woman. Like,
You tell him. You tell him that if she's still alive, we won't live in the same house as she does.
I think she'll be long gone.
Yeah. With that
pretty
much
sure.
anger in you, I feel you die early.
Yeah, I think she died after the trip. I don't know.
Stop it.
And then we came back to Bombay from our trip, and I remember I sat my dad down on the bed.
Whoa.
Like I was ready to for bed, and I sat my dad down. I was like, "Papa, I have to tell you something."
Bro.
And I told him, Keegan and I want to get married. And my dad was like, "You're still in the first standard. Wait for some time, and then maybe we can think about."
My dad
marriage."
would have slapped me for sure.
No, that he was soft parenting. Before that was even a thing.
Gentle parenting.
Gentle parenting. Soft, same thing. But yeah, it's just so like
Cute, yeah.
It was so weird. I still have pictures with the two of us sitting on that the animal, the yacht.
The movie?
The yacht. Yuck.
What is animal?
Oh shit! I just called a yak.
A yak? A yak? A yak?
A yacht.
A yacht? A yacht? A yak in the fucking water? Walking in water?
She sailed on the yacht.
Don't say that. Not that.
Not that one. Can't do that.
Can't do
Not us.
And then we used to also we was like such rebel back then also. We used to like take off our gloves and play with the snow with our hand, with our like bare hands.
Wow.
I used to like throw it on each other. Yeah, it was so much fun.
The laughing. My God.
Good lord.
I still have
swear to
pictures from
God.
that trip, dude. And that's very wholesome.
love to see them.
We should.
I'll
I
show
think
it
we
to
should
y'all.
stalk him and like find his account.
We can do that.
Oh, we should.
Let's
Do you
go. We
remember-
can.
Do you
After
remember
this.
the last
It's
name?
in the car.
No.
We'll be able to find from
Find,
the tip
yeah.
wala.
From the
What?
from the tour guide.
Tour guide.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll do that
We'll
tonight.
do that. Let's do
Tonight.
it.
Let's do it.
Let's
Yes.
do it.
But I think there's a very big difference, of course, in like, traveling with parents who are a little older. Where, I mean, especially for me, so I have I have quite an age gap between my parents and me.
I mean, most people do.
No, there are some kids our age who have quite younger parents.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so see, I'm pretty sure when you and your family go on trips, y'all do more than just sightseeing. You're like play games. I remember the recent trip that you had gone on.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, so that's not something that my family does.
It's not in my blood. I wouldn't do it.
No, I want to do it. Like, so my brother and I am 20 and my brother's 26, and my parents.
Now you can do maths.
Yeah, but like 5 and 11.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. Anyway, so my parents are like in their late 50s to early 60s.
Yeah.
So even like a couple of years back when we used to go for vacations, like the most we would do is like, go to this very cool spot, check
That
it out.
has a rock,
That has a rock,
which is old as shit.
which it looks like an elephant if you see it from that angle.
As Pooja, love Ramesh.
You
Didn't
know
know
the
that.
Thumbs Up Mountain.
Oh,
I know.
Thumbs Up Mountain, if you see from the other way, that's the trunk of an elephant.
Yeah.
Wow.
Otherwise, it's thumbs up.
Yeah.
I remember-
And just take pictures over there and then come back. And go to Mahabaleshwar and get those fucking...
Falero?
No, that and then
Falero, bro.
the can cap and then throw it and it comes back or something.
What?
There was an echo point.
Echo
This
points, sunset
something.
points, all stupid points.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically go on all those spots, take pictures.
Wait.
You pay somebody to take that picture.
No, hey.
No, they were not
This
cool, na?
this was not there back then.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't do this?
It was like these couples going like,
Yeah.
Sorry, too.
So basically that was it. But then, I mean, now that I'm a little older, now that we're a little older, I think we get a little bit more freedom to, take a couple of trips with your friends.
yeah.
And I feel like now, at least for me, is now where I'm actually having fun when I go on vacations.
No,
with my
but
friends.
I remember my dad used to always make an effort to like take us to a amusement park or like things like that. So I remember whenever we used to go out, my dad would like have ATV races with us, like me and Dadi.
Yeah.
And we'd go to Della very often.
Yeah.
So then we would do everything. Like my dad would make us do everything. Like, oh, you are going on that zip line. Oh,
Yeah.
you are going on that
Yeah,
bungee
no,
jumping.
I think-
Yeah.
Because I am also coming with you.
Exactly, that's the
Yeah.
difference. No, see, your parents could. My
Yeah.
parents, even if they wanted to,
They
because of their
couldn't.
age and like
Yeah.
whatever, they
Yeah.
just couldn't.
Yeah.
I think my mom was very similar to you. She was very bratty. She's always been like, nahi,
That's
chakkar
okay.
aata hai."
हाँ, even my mom. Never adventurous.
मेरे
But
back
you
में
know-
से shooting pain आ रहा है.
Shooting pain.
Take care.
You remember road trips with your parents?
Oh,
I hate road trips.
Okay.
So I vividly remember this one time that we were going to my cousin's village, which is a little bit closer from Bombay than our village.
Okay.
And we had this new car. It was a Vitara, and it
Grand
had,
Vitara.
Yeah, it had a screen on it.
Oh.
With a CD in it. Yeah.
It's like Air Vistara, but like
Oh, yeah,
Vitara.
Vitara. And it was me, sorry, dad was driving, mom was sitting in the front, me in the middle of the back seat, my cousin sister, so me on the side. And then I think it was my aunt, I'm not quite sure who was beside me at that side, or it was one of my other cousins, or it was my sister, I don't remember. And I was so adamant on playing this one movie. And again, brat.
Yeah.
So I got what I wanted. I was like, we have to play 1920 Evil Returns in this car
oh my
right
God.
now.
Yes,
And
yes, of course.
my sisters were like, hey, listen, let's watch Golmaal.
The difference in genres, brother.
we we'll all like it. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna be in a good mood.
Yeah.
Don't do this. We will get there and we will make you watch it. Don't worry. We
Yeah.
will all watch it at night. Acha dar lagega. But the thing is, I'm never scared of those things, right? How I was the youngest in the car. I got in my way somehow.
Of course.
Of course I did. Bro, literally 5 minutes into the movie, there is a scene where this lady vomits out nails.
Ew.
And it's a very disturbing scene.
Okay.
And it's gross and it's loud. And my dad lost it. he pressed the fucking button of the thing. He took that CD out. We are on the highway, babe. Rolled his window down. Oh, I could hear this. Oh, I could hear this. Crushed it and threw it. I have never mentioned that movie again.
I think
to anybody.
that was scarier than the scene.
Yeah.
So you know that day that happened, and then yesterday I just mentioned it to them like, hey, I'm gonna say this on the pod tomorrow. We've never spoken about this incident in the middle of that. We just haven't.
So even I watched 1920 with my cousins at my nani's house, and raat mein dekha.
Of
So
course.
then
1920 or the second part?
1920
Evil
Lisa wala,
Returns.
Lisa
Oh, yeah.
The
wala.
one where
Evil
she eats a
Returns.
cat.
I don't know. Lisa wala, pata hai wo ceiling pe chadti hai.
That one.
Yeah. So we watched it. एंड देन पहले तो मेरी सुसु जाने में फट रही थी तो कैसे तो करके मैं सुसु के लिए गई सुसु करके वापस आई और मैंने देखा सब लोग सो रहे हैं मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी फिर भी आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है आई ट्राई टू स्लीप and I went into my bed and I'm trying to sleep. Then somehow around this time I've fallen asleep and my mama used to go for like shifts, okay? So
Yeah.
he had his first shift, which is like he has to leave, he has to reach there at 4:30.
Yeah.
So he's
PM.
4:30 a.m.
AM.
Okay.
And he's trying to like get ready. So he was getting ready around 3:30 or like 3:15ish. And then he's getting ready and मैं ऐसा we used to like बिछाओ 5 mattresses.
Yeah.
And
Gadda.
then गद्दा and then सब लोग वो गद्दे पे collectively
हाँ.
सोते थे.
Yeah. Vibes. Full vibes.
Full vibes.
Yeah.
Full
Yeah.
vibes pro max.
Yeah.
फिर मैं ऐसा सो रही हूँ and मैं ऐसा edge पे सो रही हूँ. And then he's trying to
Bad decision. मैं घुस जाती अंदर. मैं बाजू में सो ही नहीं रही हूँ.
and then he was picking something up and there was this empty plastic bottle and somehow accidentally it fell onto me and I screamed up like Lisa गिर गई And then everyone woke up. They were like, what the fuck is wrong with her?
Love.
Can you shut up? It's 3:30. We want to fucking sleep.
It's
even-
giving China Mina Lochni.
What?
Chennai Express.
Mina Chudalogi.
Meena, China model ho gayi. China model ho gayi. After that, even my family did not let me watch 1920.
Wow.
Let's go.
And like going back to like the village stories.
Yeah.
Even I used to fucking hate the road trips with my parents because it used
I
to
don't hate
always
them that much.
No, not the
You.
parents. Not the parents.
You know the road trip.
The road trip. It was like, oh, we are all excited. Then my mom goes to sleep. Then Adi goes to sleep. Then my chachi will go to sleep. And then it's just me, dad, and my chachu.
Okay, bye.
And we used to vibe. Most of the times we used to vibe. But then my mom would be like, hey, awaaz kami theva. And then we used to be like, okay. And then we used to
Careful
like,
with that Marathi.
Yeah, it's good. See, that was good.
That was good.
that was fine. So yeah, and then once you would reach village, तो फिर भाई तो full खतरनाक,
Crazy vibes.
crazy vibes. So me and my cousins we had this habit of like. We have a lot of trees around our house, like fruit trees. We had coconut trees, mango trees, and stuff like that. So we used to always like go to our terrace, and then the coconut trees were like, aisa, matlab, this is like we are standing on the terrace, and you could see the coconuts over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once we took a stick, and we were like, इसको गिराएंगे,
I have a very similar story to say.
इसको गिराएंगे. And then we are trying to poke it with the
Yeah,
stick,
yeah.
and then we are just at it for like 3 hours. The entire afternoon, we are like, aaj hoga. And it was not happening. But then we did not give up. We did not give up.
Yeah.
And it was the time when, before sunset, my grandfather used to water all our plants, niche. So then he was watering them. And somehow, the coconut decided that I will fall now. And my grandfather...
The coconut finally decided.
And my grandfather is watering the plants. He just moves a step away and the coconut falls. And then all of us like ran inside the house and my grandfather is yelling at us.
He could have died.
Yeah.
Died,
If it
literally.
fell on him.
Yeah. And then he just kept yelling the entire time. And then someone said that इसने किया है. Because idea तो मेरा ही था. So then he started yelling at me and then I was very upset. Then I went in my room where there was a swing and मैं उल्टा बैठ के I was like
Weeping, yeah.
no, I was wearing headphones and I was listening to sad songs and crying. I was in my feels. I was in my feels.
You were that
Wow.
kid.
Yeah, I was that kid. And then my dad comes up to me and then he's like, what happened? Why are you so upset? I was like, I don't know. Go ask your dad maybe. And then,
Wow.
and then, wow.
ऐसे कैसे बोल देती है?
Only girl child in the house. Perks of being.
Still.
यहाँ 4 उंगली आ गई होती मेरी अब तक.
हाँ तो सुनना तो फिर उसके बाद my dad was like what happened and I was like बहुत चिल्लाया मुझे बहुत चिल्लाया and then my dad went to his dad that is my grandfather
Oh, really? I would have never guessed.
wow and my grandfather told him that I was watering and then ऐसा coconut गिराया. So then my dad comes up to me and then I was like, now he's going to console me. Now he's going to say that it's okay, it happens and stuff like
Was
that.
he wearing a belt by any chance?
Thank God he wasn't.
तेरा बाप तुझे बेड से मारता.
Thank God he wasn't. He just comes up to me and then he also starts yelling the same exact thing my grandfather was yelling about. So then I went to the terrace वापस and then I started
मेरे headphones किधर है?
मेरे headphones. Again in my field. But then my grandfather, he brought that coconut, he opened it and उसमें ऐसा straw डाल के ऐसा सब मलाई एक plate में निकाल के
जले पे नमक.
लेके आए मेरे लिए.
The one
and
that
then-
fell down?
Yeah, and he brought it. He brought it for me and he's like, ले खा अभी. निकाला है ना इतनी मेहनत से खा. And then I was like,
Bro, I share a very similar story. So like नानी के यहाँ पर ना मेरा जहाँ पर हॉल किचन का बालकनी है ना उसके बाहर ही गार्डन है नीचे एंड देन देयर इज अ ह्यूज एज कोकोनट ट्री ओके एंड लाइक एवरी समर्स लाइक यू नो लाइक इट वुड टेक टाइम सो लाइक एवरी समर्स लाइक कोकोनट्स यूज्ड टू कम एंड इट वाज वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू एक्सेस
yeah, I get it.
yeah. So it was like me, my sister, and my cousins. Okay, the four of us, and we were like small. And I told my nanu, "Okay, nanu, coconut tree nikal sakte kya? Can we like break and like have some?" And he's like, "Abhi, I don't think possible hoga because it was pretty far. You know, like we would require a huge stick and stuff." So he's like, "Theek hai." I was like, "Theek hai, chalega, it's fine." The next summer we go there, and my nanu's made like this big stick, like a huge stick with like a blade to the end of it.
Damn.
And then he like broke
Love.
नारियल, like so many, and then the four of us would like go with big थैलास नीचे और भर के ऊपर लाते थे, फिर सबके लिए glasses में डाल के coconut और मलाई. And then we would save some of the malai and the coconut juice, and then रात में it was like movie night, कुछ भी movie देखनी है या कुछ भी मस्ती करनी है, सोने का नहीं, because नानी क्या पर है, सोने का किसको है,
Of course.
who has to sleep.
Yeah.
So we would like make दूध, कोकोनट का मलाई, कोकोनट का पानी ऐसा ब्लेंडर में मिक्स करके थोड़ा सा जूस बन. It was so much fun.
Damn.
Tender coconut juice.
Tender coconut juice, yeah.
Yeah.
So
I don't know what was this obsession with like cousins and kids trying to steal fruits from trees.
Yeah.
I remember like my cousins used to always be like, so my grandfather, he had an open Jeep. And
That is so cool.
That is damn
That's
cool.
like-
And
that's
then
so gangster.
I remember my cousin, my elder cousin.
That's tempo ka reverse noise.
So I remember one of my cousins, elder cousins, he had just learned how to drive. So then he used to always take us out for drives, gaon mein. So then once we saw this very like huge yard of mango trees. हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मैंगो ट्रीज है. ओके, वी हैव लाइक मोर देन 400-500 मैंगो ट्रीज. वी हैड अ मैंगो बिजनेस बैक देन ऑल्सो, बट स्टिल वी वर लाइक कि यहाँ से चुराएंगे, मजा आएगा,
Real.
चुराएंगे. एंड हम लोग खड़े हो गए वही जीप में ही. मैं खड़ी हूँ और मेरी एक और कजन खड़ी है, एंड देयर इज हिम ऑन द ड्राइविंग सीट, एंड ही इज लाइक कि कोई आए ना तो मेरे को बोल देना, मैं सीधा भगा दूंगा. एंड देन हम लोग एक एक करके मैंगोज ले रहे हैं, एंड दिस वन पर्सन कम्स हियर and we did not see him that well. But then later when we saw him, we were like bhag, and then we ran away with all those mangoes. That man, he went to my grandfather and he's like कि मैंने देखा आपके जीप में आपके मतलब बच्चे आके मेरे मैंगोज चुरा रहे थे वगैरह. And then my दादाजी got so pissed because for him it was like I am going to give everything to everyone, and he was very mad that my kids are going somewhere else and eating mangoes when I have so many of them. So then one day he was just like he made us sit near this big ass mango tree that we have, and he made us sit uske niche. And he kept removing mangoes, kept cutting them and giving it to us. We've had like 40, 50, 60 mangoes per person each.
Shit.
And he was like, no, you will not get up. You will not get up. You are going to eat this. You are going to eat this. And then we all now have
Are you
mango
sick of
aversion
them?
and mango sickness.
No,
shit.
that's insane.
All of us hate mangoes.
I'll tell you why I hate mangoes.
एक दो खा लेंगे, उससे ज्यादा होता ही नहीं है. मतलब एक दो in the whole season, okay?
Oh,
एक दो,
Oh shit.
उससे ज्यादा होता ही नहीं है.
I'll tell you why I hate mangoes. I have a very personal vendetta against them, and it's not because I ate too many or I was rich enough to have a aam ka baag. But
were you deprived of them?
no, I wasn't deprived of them. I'll tell you what. So of course, we would.
You're
buy.
from Ratnagiri.
Yeah, but not everyone in Ratnagiri has land to grow mango, right?
Yeah, by the way, we are like mango rivals. I'm from Devgarh, she's from Ratnagiri. Everyone knows Devgarh is better, so okay. Continue.
Couldn't give less of
Bro,
a shit.
I'm an Alfonso kid.
Ratnagiri and Devgarh both have Alfonso mangoes.
Yeah, I think like, are y'all okay? Ratnagiri, you know what?
We love
Alfonso.
mangoes.
Alfonso.
You guys love mangoes, but if you were me, you wouldn't. And I'll tell you why. So
Glad I'm not
again, at my cousin's village, which is a little bit closer to Bombay.
Okay.
And again, that big gadda we used to put, everybody would sleep in the hall together. I'm sitting in the middle of it, and my sister Sumi again brings out like, she brings out a tray, okay, and I'm sitting in the middle on my knees, and I'm talking to like 3 or 4 people sitting here. She just comes up and she's like, mango milkshake low, and I just get up.
Oh shit!
कांच के ग्लास में हाँ 5-6 मैंगो मिल्कशेक मेरे सिर पे.
Shit!
ग्लास टूटे वो अलग, गद्दा खराब हो गया, बाल खराब हो गए, और मैं I was smelling like mangoes for a good 3-4 days.
Yeah. That after smell
And
of
the
mango.
chip,
Yeah.
the chip, and I showered also.
You know how your fingers smell after eating
Yeah.
mango?
No, I kind of
I
like
hate
that.
that.
The only I kind of like
I
The
that.
hate
only
that.
thing about childhood and
I kind of like
mango.
Mango और मेरी कट्टी है.
I used to, you know what I used to do? I used to finish eating the, what do you call it? The middle
Bata.
part.
Bata.
I think everyone calls it like
Differently.
something different. Yeah.
So
Gudli, bata,
Gudli.
bata.
my family
whenever
calls
I
it
used
paddo.
Ooh, very
that's
good.
fun.
Yeah, it's very
good.
go on.
Yeah. So whenever I used to be done eating the gutli, I would then wash it with like hand wash, shampoo,
Yeah.
and everything.
And you would pet
then,
it.
Yeah. And then I.
Like you would make it a pet, right?
Yeah. I used to draw eyes on it. Yeah, put eyeshadow and stuff.
The only thing no, not only thing. One of the few things I remember about eating mangoes when I was a kid was, you know, when you're eating a mangoes, first of all, the sexual tension between you and the mango.
Yes.
It's like here. It's like here. It's like
All
everywhere.
thanks
Yeah.
to Katrina Kaif.
Yes.
But we don't look that good when we eat mangoes.
I
yeah.
don't
Yeah.
care.
I don't
I
care.
You
want.
shouldn't do it in front of a mirror. That's all.
I mean, I think you should do it. Like, let me just see myself on the mango. So yeah, like, so like you first of all like going ham on the mango. You're like. Whatever. It's like everywhere. It's like in your nose, it's on your cheeks, on your chin, on your neck, and everything. And then when you go, at least me, like when I used to go to wash my face, I used to wash my hands nicely,
Yeah.
wipe my lips, come out, and I used to wipe my face on my towel. And whenever my mom used to come back from work,
Yeah.
and I used to always wipe my face on her towel only. So she used to see her towel and it used to be all mango over there. She's
All
like,
yellow.
Bro, I do that
What
to
you
this
watched?
day, to her dupatta. To this day, and she's mad about it every single time.
No, my mom would whip my ass now if I did that. So I do it on my own towel and it's still there.
Every child has a childhood picture of them nangu pungu eating
Yes.
arm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like butt ass naked.
Yeah.
I don't.
First of all,
You do not?
first
I
of all,
don't.
where's the consent? let me
consent.
let me enjoy my moment peacefully. Like, and you're like fucking flashing me. Like,
I'm flashing you, you're flashing me, man.
But like I never had. I don't like mangoes that much.
Same.
The
What
hair?
the hell?
The hair?
Oh yeah.
dude, I thought you liked mangoes.
Look, no. I like mango juice.
Hey, that is very
I can't eat mango
you.
like that. Like,
Don't say that in front of me.
Oh my
The fact that you like mango juice. Now that you know my truth.
I hate you right now, bro.
Okay, I get sick
I
by
like
mangoes,
mango
but I will always like be a mango girly. There is some
Yeah.
emotion, like
No, we're not talking about shopping, babe.
yeah.
The only emotion she has related to it is the headphones.
We got rid of the headphones in the show.
oh yeah,
Oh my God.
I can't be in my feels anymore.
Oh my god.
Said like
So, you know how every summers when we were younger, we had like this class, that class, drawing class, swimming class, dance
yeah.
class,
Oh, yeah.
skating, cycling, ये वो.
yeah, I have trauma.
Same.
ट्रॉमा क्लास लिया था एक बार कुछ तो थेरेपी बोलकर भेजे थे
पैसे देकर ट्रॉमा मिला मुझे. स्विमिमिंग क्लास जाते थे, कोई कूदता नहीं था.
भाई धक्का दिया है.
पैसे दे.
It is okay.
And
You
so
will
I
learn
फ्लोट
it.
करती थी
And you know, I used to be very scared कि मुझे धक्का नहीं देना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So then मैं कूद जाती थी. I used to
No.
just go there and I used to be like, जय राम जी की.
I'm still scared of water above like till here. I'm shit scared of water.
I used to
only
go down.
because of that. No, I don't know how to swim.
I used to go down and
Same.
I used to just
That's
fight
the
with
only reason I don't know how to swim. धक्का दे देते भाई.
So why are you guys
I
always
keep-
like pool में जाते हैं
मजा आता है.
Yeah,
we
we
stand.
dubki.
We stand and we do this. Just walk. in the pool.
No, I can swim very well.
Yeah, she can. She actually
can,
can.
she
I can, I shouldn't. You guys know why.
Yeah. Dhritika and I just stand in the pool and we like hold hands and like go round and round.
That's enough.
That's enough for us, honestly.
So yeah, classes.
Yeah. So this after, I think this was after 10th.
Yeah, it was like right after 10.
After both of us like we're like, bro, let's learn guitar.
Let's on the guitar.
You all copy
Let's
me.
be the cool kid, you know.
You all
Let's
copy
shut up.
me. I still have that guitar on
But
my
do you
wall,
play it?
which I can't play.
Exactly.
The strings
So
are
how is
broken.
it being
How
how
is
is it being jealous of you?
No, y'all were inspired by me.
Ew, no.
Yeah.
We know better guitar than her.
No.
Tell them what we
For
learned.
sure, no.
What did we learn?
So okay, so I don't think you remember this, but like, we had gone to this very local uncle.
Yeah.
Bro,
I
he
went
was
to
so
the same
grumpy.
guy and
Yeah.
he fucking hated children.
same.
He fucking hated
Hey,
everyone.
at least he did not love children.
Say, oh, we ho.
It's probably a minor.
Dude, okay, you at least know what A minor is. 1 minute. That was so iconic. Dude, you at least know what A minor is, and you didn't even go to that guy for the lessons. Common sense. We went to this dude, and for a week straight, guess what he taught us on the guitar?
Happy birthday.
Saregama-pa.
Do straight Saregama. And he would be so pissed.
Saregama.
Not even Do Re Mi Fa.
That's the Hindi equivalent of Do Re Mi.
Bro, I had reached to the song level.
Same.
I had reached
Bro,
to the
we
song
went only
level.
there for a month.
No, I continued after you left.
Because I was done with that. First of all, he hated me. Second of all, who the fuck teaches Saregama on guitar?
Sanjana, for no reason. We started on the same day. हम लोग दोनों same चीज सीख रहे, ठीक है? Together. And he would like teach me nicely, you know, be like practice कर लो ये.
He taught her A
Pretty
minor.
privileged.
He would be so grumpy with Sanjana all the time.
Yeah.
One mistake.
So basically, I used to-
How old were you?
Arey, after 10, how old will you be?
After 10.
Do the
20?
It's for the bit. It's for the bit.
15. No.
No wonder.
I see what you did there.
No wonder.
So basically, I was playing whatever the fuck he was teaching, Saregama-pa for 1 week
Saregama-pa.
straight. I was like, नहीं पहले आप एक बार करो, फिर दूसरी बार करो, फिर एक दो करके करो.
हाँ, फिर 1 2 3.
1 2 3,
1 2
3 2 1, 3 2 1.
Oh.
OVO. He was fine with me, but then I genuinely used to get very mad about the fact that he would yell to other students in front of me so that I would get scared.
That was
Yeah.
not gentle parenting.
Soft parenting.
That was not soft parenting.
Then I was like, and then मेरा हो भी गया था भाई गिटार से, तो फिर
Yeah.
I mean, like first of all, like I was like हो गया मेरा blue guitar है अभी मेरे पास, हो गया
That's
मेरा.
all a girl ever needs.
Yeah.
A blue guitar.
Blue guitar.
Yeah, who needs a man who can play guitar when you can hang one on your
If a
wall?
man plays the guitar for me and plays some fuck ass song,
Saregama-pa. You know where he went.
Sasare.
So stupid.
Oh God. He used to get like you said, he used to get mad at me for asking him questions like, sir, when can
Yeah.
we move ahead, progress to the next note?
hey, what is this?
I don't know. And then he used to be like, do this for this today.
हाँ.
Then we'll go to something next tomorrow.
Yeah. And the
Okay.
first thing he'd do when we used to go, he had like this attendance sheet जो हमारी book पे stapled था.
dude, yeah.
He would not.
You had a book?
Yeah,
Yeah, like he used to write notes and stuff in
and
the
you know
notes and
what he
everything.
did. So the thing
Guess
is
what
that
was in the notes?
he asked he asked me to get a notebook,
Yeah.
and I got a long one. And then because
So
I wanted
extra.
because I wanted to be fancy, and then he goes like, "No, you're gonna go and get a smaller one.
Yeah.
The 200 pages one, the smaller one." And then I was like, okay. I just got that 200 pages smaller wala book, and then he was like, "Ki, okay, now this is how we're gonna go about it,"
Yeah.
and stuff like that. And then after that, he after I was done with my classes, he very nicely told me कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, मैंने आपको बोला था 200 का ही लेके आओ छोटा वाला.
Sus, bro, sus.
So
Very sus.
I was 13.
Is this how we find out that he was a creep?
He probably won't.
Yeah, I was 30 now. I went 2 years before they did.
That explains a lot.
Wow.
That explains a lot.
Explains a lot.
So now that we've discovered
Yeah.
one whole predator and
One grumpy ass old auntie.
grumpy old auntie who is
Grumpy old grandma.
Yeah, that's 100 years old now at this point.
Yeah,
Definitely.
she's.
I think we've covered a lot today.
We've covered
Yeah.
a lot.
My stomach hurts from all the laughing. I hope
Yeah.
your stomach hurts from all the laughing.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you guys also have a bunch of stories like
Crazy
this.
stories.
Please comment down below.
Please. We would
And
love
let
to
us know. DM
would
us,
love to
follow us, do whatever. Let us know. So
Yeah.
we
You
can
know
react
what?
to them.
We might just mention them
Yeah.
in another part or one of our other episodes.
If we do a part 2, you never know.
Yeah,
May
we'd
come up.
go like, so one of our subscribers, they've shared the story.
We could share. We could react
Yeah.
to your funny summer stories if you all have any.
Let us know. We hope you really had a great time listening to our summer stories. And while you're watching the episode right now, like, subscribe, and comment about your funny summer stories. And along with that, please go follow us on Instagram and stay Besharam. Bye.
Bye.